We begin with breaking news first at 4. Georgia Attorney General Chris Carr announced settlements with 2 gas stations accused of price gouging in the aftermath of Hurricane Helene. Augusta-based Smile Grocery, formerly known as Pope's Grocery, and Fast Break 2 reached the settlements as the Attorney General claimed both businesses violated the Fair Business Practices Act. The stores were accused of engaging in price gouging during a declared state of emergency by raising gas prices. Smile Grocery paid $10,000 and Fast Break 2 paid more than $7,000.